Alright guys, today we're going to be looking at the Corbin Gunfighter and Lady seat. I just picked this up about a month ago. I put a decent amount of solo and 2-up time, and if you're looking into the seat, it's probably because you're looking for a better seat to ride with a passenger. When I first bought the bike, this is not the direction I thought I'd be going as far as a seat. But I do like riding with my girlfriend, and it is nice to have something that's a bit more comfortable, especially compared to the stock seat, which is, it's not great. I mean, this isn't ideally a 2-up bike to begin with, but, you know, we can change some stuff up, we can make it work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to install the seat. We're going to take like an in-depth look on the seat. I'm going to tell you, whether I think it's worth it or not and my experiences with it. So let's start with getting, I'll put the stock seat back on, take it off, put this on, and I'll also show you how the sissy bar hooks up. It's super simple, really easy to do. So let's get the seat off the bike. Removing the seat on the XSR is very easy. You're going to see this flap down here. You insert your key, twist, and it lifts right off. Now that we've got the bike off the seat, I can give you a closer look at it. It's got this nice quilted kind of pattern on the top of the solo portion and the passenger portion. This is nice and flat. It's a lot bigger area than the stock seat is, which even if you're not running a passenger, I like this because say I'm throwing a bag over it or something for a long trip, it's a bigger raised area, it's flatter for the bag. I use a Saddleman, I think it's a 3200, and with the stock seat it was okay, but this is a bigger area for it, so I'm excited to try it out. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to flip the seat over, and I'm going to show you how to remove and adjust the sissy bar. To adjust the sissy bar, there's a fastener right in the middle of the back. It's a 3mm Allen, and you just loosen it up. And once it's loose, it takes quite a bit. There's quite a bit of threads here, but you can then move the seat or the sissy bar backwards, a little more forwards. It just depends on how much lean you want on the sissy bar itself. Let's flip the seat over, and I'll show you how to remove the sissy bar. Really simple. We've got one fastener here. I believe it's 4mm. So once you remove that, this portion is going to slide out, and I'll show you how to adjust the flat back to how it is without the sissy bar. Get the fastener removed, flip the seat back up. And this should just pretty much slide right out. Yes, nice and easy. I'll put the fastener back in here just so I don't lose track of it. It's a bit hard to see in this lighting, but we do have this flap here. You just pull up the Velcro, close that, put the flap back down, and we're ready to go right back on the bike. Reinstalling the seat is super easy. Just, you have this tongue portion here, aim for that. Hear that click? Good to go. I wanted to take these comparison shots to show you guys the difference between the Corbin seat and the stock seat. It's a big improvement for the passenger. As you can see, they have a lot more area to sit on, a lot flatter space, definitely more comfortable. And because the passenger area is raised up, it gives you this nice ridge in the solo portion of the seat, which is nice to keep your ass in place when you're doing those ridiculous A-mode pulls. And I know you guys like to do that because I like to do that. Let's take a quick look at the seat on the bike. I like the look of it. I like the shape of the seat overall, which is surprising to me because a lot of XSR owners generally put cowls on or just slimmer profile seats, or they at least modify the seat pan on the stock seat. It's not a horrible seat, but you can improve it. But overall, I actually like the look. It gives it kind of a UJM look, in my opinion, which it's more of the retro portion of the neo-retro whole aesthetic of the bike. So I think it actually fits the look pretty well. I mean, it's definitely not as sleek. It's, it's big, but it's practical, and I like practical things on motorcycles. And I still think it looks pretty cool, but It's definitely open to interpretation. It looks cooler without the sissy bar portion on that. When I ride around solo, which is like 90% of the time, and I have the sissy bar on, I'm like, all right, this is kind of lame. Alright guys, so that's the Gunfighter and Lady seat from Corbin. Overall, I'm really happy with it, and it's a great seat if you're looking to ride 2 up. It's nice to have the sissy bar on there as well. If you ride solo a lot, I don't know if I'd recommend it. It's a good seat, and it is more comfortable than stock, but because it's so expensive, it might not be worth it to you unless you really do want to ride with 2 people a lot, which is why I bought the seat. But overall, I'm really happy with it. The materials are quality, the look is fantastic, and overall, pretty great seat. It's what I would expect out of Corbin. They do good stuff. But as always, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and throw me a like. If you have any questions, just sound off in the comment section, and I'd be happy to answer any of them. And yeah, ride fast, ride naked, wear your helmet. I'll see you in the next one.